Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I just uploaded, but I couldn't put all of these tutorials in one, so I had to put them separately. So if you have a Nintendo Switch and you have these kind of mics that have only two connectors like this, yeah, if you guys are trying to find out how to do this, it's really easy, guys. That's why I'm showing you how. So you have to get an adapter. There's like an adapter tutorial, and because like the last video I had like another adapter thing, so these are two adapter tutorials. So if you have these and you can't connect both to the Nintendo Switch that you have, it's really simple. You got to get this in Amazon. You have to get this in Amazon, like a little two connector adapter. This one is pretty good. It's only $9. I'll put it in the description. And yeah, it's just so once you have this and you have these two connectors, there's gonna be little like stuff there that are like saying for headphones and for microphones. So if this one's for microphone, I'm gonna put that. It wouldn't work if you try to put them like the headphones into the microphone or the microphone to the headphones. That wouldn't work. You need to put them in the right place. So what I'm gonna do is just connect them right now into the same place. You have to connect them into the same place for then it would work. Okay, there I connected it to the mic, and now what I'm gonna do is connect this one into the Nintendo Switch. So what I'm gonna do is go like this. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is put it in. Okay guys, so I'm about to place it in, so you'll see, and boom guys. The headphone stuff are connected. Sorry guys, I'm still putting it in. And boom. It would be, now it's connected, and now you can use your mic. If you want, you guys can try it out. It actually works with an adapter, which I play in Fortnite. This is where I tried it out. And I tried out in Fortnite and it worked. I got to play and talk to my friends with it. So yeah guys, this is how to do it. Like and subscribe if you want another tutorial. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!